Austria is a landlocked country located in Central Europe. It is bordered by Germany to the northwest, the Czech Republic to the north, Slovakia to the northeast, Hungary to the east, Slovenia and Italy to the south, and Switzerland and Liechtenstein to the west. The capital city is Vienna. Austria has a population of approximately 8.9 million people and covers an area of 83,879 square kilometers. The official language is German, and the currency is the euro. Education. Austria has a highly developed education system that is free and compulsory for children between the ages of 6 and 15. The education system is divided into primary, secondary, and tertiary education. At the tertiary level, Austria has a number of well-regarded universities and other institutions of higher education. History. Austria has a rich and complex history that dates back to the Paleolithic era. The region that is now Austria was inhabited by various tribes and civilizations, including the Celts, Romans, and Bavarians. In the 8th century, the region was conquered by Charlemagne and became part of the Carolingian Empire. In the 10th century, Austria became part of the Holy Roman Empire, and over the centuries, it developed a strong economy and culture. In 1804, the Austrian Empire was established, and Austria became a major player in European politics and culture. The country was a leader in science, music, and art, and it played a significant role in the Napoleonic Wars and other major events of the time. In 1867, the Austro-Hungarian Empire was established, and Austria became one of its two main components. The empire was a multicultural and multilingual state, and it faced many challenges over the years, including economic crises, nationalist movements, and tensions between different ethnic groups. In the aftermath of World War I, the Austro-Hungarian Empire was dissolved, and Austria became a republic. The country faced significant political and economic challenges in the interwar period, including the rise of Nazism in neighboring Germany. During World War II, Austria was annexed by Nazi Germany and was the site of many atrocities, including the deportation and murder of thousands of Jews and other minorities. After the war, Austria was occupied by Allied forces, and it became a neutral country during the Cold War. In 1995, Austria joined the European Union, and it has since become a highly developed and prosperous country with a strong commitment to social welfare and environmental conservation. Economy. Austria has a highly developed and diversified economy with a strong focus on exports. The country is a member of the European Union and is part of the Eurozone. Key industries include machinery, iron and steel, chemicals, vehicles, and textiles. Austria is also known for its tourism industry, which is a significant contributor to the economy. Culture. Austria has a rich cultural heritage that has contributed significantly to European art, music, and literature. The country is known for its classical music tradition, with famous composers such as Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, Franz Schubert, and Johann Strauss II all hailing from Austria. Vienna, the capital city, is also known for its opera houses and theaters. Austria has a strong tradition of folk culture, with regional costumes, dances, and customs still celebrated today. Cuisine. Austrian cuisine is known for its hearty, meat-based dishes and sweet pastries. Some famous Austrian dishes include schnitzel, goulash, and strudel. Austrian cuisine is heavily influenced by the cuisines of neighboring countries such as Italy, Hungary, and Germany. Sports. Austria has a strong tradition of winter sports, with skiing and snowboarding being popular activities in the Alpine regions. The country has also produced many successful athletes in other sports such as tennis, cycling, and soccer. The Vienna Marathon is a popular annual event that attracts runners from around the world. Festivals. Austria hosts a number of festivals throughout the year, including the Vienna Opera Ball, the Salzburg Festival, and the Biennale International Film Festival. The country is also known for its Christmas markets, which are held in many cities and towns during the holiday season. Today, Austria is a federal parliamentary republic with a president as its head of state and a chancellor as its head of government. The country is known for its high standard of living, well-developed social welfare system, and commitment to environmental conservation. Austria is also a member of the European Union, the United Nations, and other international organizations. Thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel. I hope you found the content informative and entertaining. Creating content for this channel has been a passion of mine, and I appreciate all of your support and engagement. I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. If you have any suggestions or feedback, please leave a comment or send me a message. I am always looking for ways to improve and provide more value to my audience. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey, and I hope this channel has inspired you to continue your quest for knowledge. Thank you again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.